Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Few days ago, Amazon emailed me saying that I could pre-order Echo frames, Amazon Alexa frames, which is not available to users. And I did. So here we go with the box opening and also review of Alexa frame. Alright, here we see a fancy box, very fancy box, pretty sleek design with a smiley, Amazon smiley. Alright, let's figure it out how to take it off. There's a tape here, which frankly speaking, I'm pretty excited for these glasses because the glasses have been talked about. But be careful with the tape. Alright, here we go. We see pretty sleek box. You can see it's written by invitation. Since I told you guys that I got it by invite, they were not released for the people yet. Open up the glasses. Pretty sleek. I mean, pretty light as well. Like a little broad on the side than I was expecting, but pretty light and shining edged. There are two buttons. There is a charging port, and there is a ridge at the back of the glass to adjust it. They are pretty light, as I said before. And I think I can wear them. Like it's basically the same weight as I have my current eyeglasses. Pretty flexible as well. I was not expecting this at all. Very flexible. Alright, let's keep this on the side and let's see what else we have in the box. That was nothing. Then there's a manual. Let's get started. Alright, there are some instructions on how to use it, and also Alexa app that you need to set this up on the Alexa app. Let's keep it for later. Then we have this frame manual, which is for your opticians. So opticians guide and user guide as always. Pretty neat on how to start, how to work around the glasses. Pretty good. And to my surprise, look at that. It's a pretty good box with Amazon sign for the frames, I assume. So that's good. Let's open this box up. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, a cleaning cloth. That's actually a cleaning cloth, guys. So if you open this, you'll see that there is a cleaning cloth inside for your frames. Very, very good fabric. Let's. Oh, inside that box there is a charger as well. Charging cable. Quite different from usual charging cables. Very sturdy though. If you can see, it's a string based charging cable. Pretty nice. This closer look at the charger. I haven't seen this before in any of the Alexa devices. It's very different. Okay, let's wind that up. And we've seen this charger, which is normal USB 3-pin lengthy. we can use to charge these glasses. I'm going to charge them in few hours and going to use them. As I'm recording this video after I used the glasses for quite some time, I can tell you like it was basically getting charged up in half an hour, and it could last me for a day. Alright, that was pretty nice. So it's a USB, so it's easy. It's a little bit tough to get in. Alright. Overall, the glasses are pretty good. The only issue is the folding these glasses, right? If you see, I couldn't fold them properly. So let's arrange these items the order I opened it, right? So cleaning cloth, the charger, the manual, the optician's guide, bunch of stand, and the glasses. Now I was very impressed with the weight of the glasses. Pretty light for the small glasses. I had used Google glasses before, and these are pretty light. Just comparing the size with my original glasses, and it looks fine. Cleaning cloth, the rack, and the box. The box is pretty. Let's see if the glasses fit in the box. And ta-da! It did work, and I really like the box, guys. Pretty sturdy, no issues. Let's turn it on. So I was just pressing that, and it was turned on. Look at that little light there. It was charged. It was waiting for me to pair to the Amazon Alexa device. So let's get that paired. Alright, it's Alexa. Let's pair them with the Alexa glasses. So now Eco Frame. It automatically detected the Eco Frame was nearby, and it was pretty cool and quick. So find your device and select. I see Eco Frames, some random number. I chose that, and it's connecting, and there we go. It asked me to put them on, and as soon as I put them on, it's kind of, oh, my Siri is acting up. I get it is upset. So as soon as I put this on, it's kind of asking me to adjust the volume and asking me how I hear things. And to be very honest, I could hear clearly the audio coming from Eco Frame device, and I could respond to it, and it could understand me very easily. One of the problems I had with the Eco Frame was more of like, if you make it too loud, the person sitting in front of you can hear you out. So that was the only problem, but that's with all bone conduction devices, guys. Overall, pretty good glasses, easy to pair. Even I could just hold these glasses off, walk into the market, remember my list. It was very easy to tell Alexa and revise my list. In the grocery store, I could cut the call, I could receive the call, I could increase the volume, I could move to the next song. The volume control was easy. Everything else is really neat and very impressive. So congratulations to Amazon for bringing these glasses. But let's talk about now disadvantages. One of the biggest disadvantage I had was to find the prescription glasses for these frames. Well, you know what? You do not find the prescription glasses through Amazon. You have to go to your glass vendor to get the prescription, and you do not get good prescription glasses. I went to LensCrafter. They tried fixing the glasses, but since you cannot apply heat on the frame, it was not very easy to get good prescription, and every time I would wear the glasses I would have a headache. So be careful, be advised that you wouldn't find your prescription glasses very easily. But if you don't have prescription glasses and you want to wear this gadget and you want to try it out, please feel free to go ahead. Yeah, and also like you can mute if you're concerned about the light at the top of the frame, you can mute that light so you wouldn't see that every time you wear it. The overall the good usability, the only problem I had was the prescription. If Amazon fixes it, we are green. So I'm looking forward to get back in future with the new video to you guys. Thank you so much for watching.